So now we have to do exercise 1.1, question number 5. We are converting roster into builder, builder into roster form. The previous question. Now we have to convert this into, this is set builder form. So we have to convert it into roster form. Okay. So this is a set A, which is the set of, A is a set of all odd natural numbers. So odd natural numbers are, roster form is this the element called roster form. When they are distinct elements, it's called roster form. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. This is the answer of this question. Okay, are you getting? So we can write directly roster form, just convert into the numbers. Similarly, here in this question, we see here, we analyze it, x is an integer. X belongs to z, is integer. What are the integers? 0, plus, minus 1, plus, minus 2. But x varies from minus 1 by 2, x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2. 1 by 2 is minus 0.5, that means, and 9 divided by 2. What is the half of 9? 4.5. So that means if you see the number line and you want to find the integers lying between minus 0.5 and 4.5. Suppose 4.5 is here and negative minus 0.5 is here. So somewhere we get 0. Okay. Here we get minus 1. Correct. Minus 2. So but before minus 1, here it will be minus 0.5. So after 0.5, only integer coming is 0. Integers. Then next integer is 1. Then next integer will be 2. Then it will be 3. Then it will be 4. Then you have 4.5 here. So 4.5, we are not taking 4.5, less than 4.5. Are you understanding? So between 4.5 and minus, the integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be, you can explain also, A or B is noted by B here in the question. So this will be the set of integers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Similarly, now we will see that C is the set of integers. Again, C is a set of all integers x, set of all x such that x is an integer, x is an integer, and x square is less than equal to 4. X square is less than equal to 4. Means the square of integer which is less than equal to 4. Correct? The square of integers which are less than equal to 4. You see the integer, you have the integers from 0 to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity here, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These all are integers. These all are integers. Now we have to find those integers whose square is less than 0. So we will start from 0. Okay. So 0, obviously 0 square is equal to 0, and which is less than 4. It will be taken. Then 1 square, 1 square is also less than 4, And similarly, minus 1 square is also 1. So minus 1 square will be taken. This is also 1. This is also less than 4. But 2 square, 2 square, we will take 2 square or not? Yes, we will take here because here it is less than equal to 4. Up to 4 we have to take. If this sign is not there, if the question is x square is less, if the question is x square is less than only 4, then we will not take 2. Then only 0 and 1 and minus 1 will come. But here 2 square is equal to 4 and which is equal to 4. So we have to take this also, and minus 2 square also equal to 4. So therefore, our answer is the set of the integers starting from minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, got it? Then other question is loyal. That letter, this one, this we can write directly. The set D will have L. L is coming 2 times, so L and L cancel. One time you will take O is only 1 time. Y is also 1 time, and A is also. So this will be the roster form. Similarly, the month of a year not having 31 days. 31 days which are not having 31 days. So the months which are not having 31 days are, you know how to find out. So that is E. So months are not having 31 days are February. We'll write here full. You should write February, April, June, September, and November. September and November. This will be it. You can write systematically. I'm writing in a zigzag way, but you can write when you write your note. So then the last question is, F is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K, means before K. Consonants before K. What are the consonants before K here? So before K, the consonants are set F. This set F. So A is a vowel, B, then C, then T, E is a vowel, then F, then G, then H, then I before K. Before I, it will go up to I because after I, sorry, I will not come. I is a vowel. So H and J, H and J. So before K, preceding K means before K, then vowels, sorry, consonants before K, before K. So B, C, D, F, G, H, J are the consonants coming before K. Okay, this is question number 6. Very simple. We have to match the column roster form with set builder form. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. The elements of this set are natural numbers and divisors of 6. correct? So first is 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Okay. No, this is 2, 3. 2, 3. Mathematics we can match directly. This mathematics will be matched with this mathematics. Okay. Then x is a natural number and divisor of 6. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So prime numbers are 2, 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers which are dividing 6. Okay. And then odd numbers less than 10. So odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 are less than 10. Yes. So, yes. Safra. Correct. So, yeah. First is, second is, fourth, first, no, first, second, prime 2 and 3 are prime numbers. And these are 1, 3, 5, 7 are 1, 3, 5, 7. X is a odd natural number and less than 10. 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers which are less than 10. And natural number divisor 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. So first C, because x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are divisor of 6 and natural numbers. Then prime numbers means which are not having any divisor. So 2, 3 is a prime number which is dividing 6. Mathematics is no problem. And odd natural numbers less than 6. Odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. So 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. That okay. So this will be the answer. You can write here like this. First, the answer of first is C. Answer of second is A. Answer of third is D. And fourth is D. C, A, D. Yes, so yeah. Fourth B. You have written fourth B. Fourth B correct. Third D. Second A. And first C. Afifa. Yes, correct, Afifa. Afra third B correct. Ryan sixth second A correct. Afra second A correct. Ryan sixth one C correct. Afra first C correct. Okay. So you are understanding that means types of set. Number one is empty set. Number one is empty. Empty set means which is not having any element. How we will define a set? A set which does not contain any element. Which doesn't contain any element. No element contains any element. Okay. Is called an empty set. and it is also called as null set, empty set, or we can say null set, or we can say void set. Same thing. You can call it as null set, void set, or empty set. Okay, are you understanding? And it is denoted by, some sets are denoted by some particular symbols. Like here, the empty set is always denoted by, if it is written like this, you should understand that it is an empty set. So therefore, it is denoted by phi. It is the symbol which is called phi. It is denoted by phi, or sometimes they are writing the only these brackets. Means nothing is there. Okay. For example, natural numbers less than one. There is no natural number less than one. We write as an example. Suppose, for example, A is the set of A is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 1. So there is no natural number less than 1. So it is an empty set. It is an empty. So these are the examples. This is the example. Now we are taking one question, extra question for understanding better. Which of the following sets are empty sets? We have to find out which of the following sets are empty. So set of all even natural numbers divisible by 5. So 10 is divisible by 5. Many natural numbers are divisible by 5. So it is not an empty set. And second answer, Pra gave a not empty set and not empty set. Yes. All even prime numbers. How many even prime numbers are there? How many even prime numbers are there? Yes, only one. That is 2. The even prime number is 2 only. So it is not an empty set. Again, it is not an empty set. Then this set, what do you say about third one? Anyone? Third is an empty set. Yes, it is an empty set because x square minus 1, if you write x square minus 1, sorry, 2, x square is equal to 2 and x will be equal to plus minus 2. X will be equal to plus minus 2. Hmm? And x is rational number. So it is an empty set because 2 plus 2 and minus 2 are rational numbers. So it is question number 3. Oh, sorry, root आएगा. Sorry. Square root plus okay, irrational number. So it is it is it is an empty set. Then empty set because root, okay, because root number is irrational number. Here this is the set x belongs to rational number. If it is written x is real number, then it will become non-empty set. Okay, so we should write not empty, non-empty set, and instead of that we should use non-empty set. Okay. Similarly, last one is there any common point between two parallel lines? No common point, because when you draw two parallel lines, there will be no common point, so there will be no point which will belong to these two lines. Therefore, it is an empty set. So like this, we have to find whether the given set is an empty set or not. Okay, got it? So by this way, we can easily understand the given set is a empty set or not. But we should know about it. Similarly, it was generally given in the set builder form. If I will take another question where it is given in the set builder, but with some properties like let's have some examples that A is a set. A is a set of X such that X belongs to N. That means natural numbers and X is less than equal to 1. X is a natural number and X is less than equal to 1. Tell me whether it is an empty set or non-empty set. Empty or non-empty? Empty or non-empty? Yes, non-empty set. Yes, it is non-empty set. Yes, correct. It is non-empty. Why? Because one will be there, non-empty. One will be there because it is X is less than equal to 1. So 1 is there in this set. There will be one element, A. A will have 1. That's why. Okay. And next example, B is the set of all X such that 3X plus 1 is equal to 0 and X belongs to N. Yes. Will it contain any element? So it is empty or non-empty set? Yes, it is an empty set. Correct. It is an empty set. Correct. Because there is no X which natural number which will belong to this equation will have only minus 1 by 3. So it is an empty set. And C is a set of all X such that X is greater than 2 and less than 3 and X belongs to natural numbers. Is there any natural number between 2 and 3? Greater than 2 and less than 3? No and no. So this is also empty set. There is no natural number between 2 and 3. This is also empty. So like this, we can have more examples. Uh, Now we will move to the next second type that is called singleton set. Now singleton set. Singleton set. From the name you can understand it contains only one element. It contains only one element. Like we have seen the previous example, this is a singleton set because it has only one element, not one. This element can be any number, but if it contains only one element, a set containing of a single element, how we will define a set containing set containing of a single element called a singleton set. Okay, so